Hey, what's up everybody? In this video, we're gonna cover Cornucopias NFT sale, news, new listings, and their new partnership. So first, we're gonna talk about Javelin sale. Most of you guys know that Javelin sale was on March 15th. And once the sale started, everybody started getting into a queue, and apparently something happened on the back end, and team was trying to fix and resolve the issues, but apparently the demand was so high, something went wrong again and again and again, and they weren't able to resolve this issue. And I think I've heard most of people been in a queue from 3 to 4 hours, and then Cornucopia team decide to gift a free NFT. This is the update. They put it on their website stating, we decide to gift a free NFT to everyone who was in a queue for the sale but was unable to mint. If this was your experience, you'll receive free GTI Javelin on behalf of Cornucopia team. And when sale started, apparently 5 lucky people were able to mint, but they will be getting their 95 ADA purchase refund. That means every person was able to get their Javelin for free. In order to accomplish this, they had to increase the amount of Javelin, because original number was I think 9,000, and they had to increase this to 12,400. And then if we go to their Twitter page, this is what they're posted. Cornucopia gifted community NFTs worth of almost 1 million. Technically, it was actually more than that. Plus, they also had to pay transaction fee. Imagine this. Full truck of Javelins showed up into the marketplace to sell them, and unfortunately something didn't work, like their cash register or something went out, and company decide to just, you know what, we'll give the product for free, and guess what, we're gonna pay for delivery as well. I don't think any company ever done this before. I wouldn't be surprised if Cornucopia is gonna end it up in a book of records for donating that many NFTs to their community. And at this time, you can actually go to JPG store or maybe to cnft.io and you can pick it up Javelin pretty cheap, because a lot of people are posting them at the time of recording this video. You can pick one up for 59. Maybe if you're gonna wait a little longer, maybe they're gonna be cheaper or not. We're just not gonna know, because there's so many people are posting them. There's a lot of haters that got them for free. I think I even seen the cheapest one for like 37 ADA. So with that being said, if you have some time, you can check JPG and snipe some NFTs for really good price. Then the second news, Copi comes home to Cardano. MinSwap listing coming soon. So what does that mean? They're gonna be launching Copi tokens on Cardano blockchain, and the first swap they're gonna be listing on MinSwap. At the time of recording this video, it's still not listed. So if we go to MinSwap, and I'm gonna leave all links in the description below for JPG store, MinSwap, and every site that I'm gonna be showing you. And if you go to MinSwap right here, once it's gonna be listed, you're gonna be able just to type Copi, and they're gonna show up over here. But at the time of recording this video, they're still not listed. So maybe it's gonna take a few days or so and they will appear on MinSwap. Once they're gonna show up, I'm gonna create a separate video how to buy and how to use MinSwap. And then this is another news that everybody's been waiting for. Good news, you have more time to prepare. The Chainport team is working hard to be the first Cardano bridge, and they need more time before we launch. This might give us peak congestion issue a chance to settle as well. The good news is you have more time to prepare your wallet to purchase Copi on MinSwap. So what I did, I went to Chainport website, and on this website, if you scroll down, as you can see, looks like this is real cross-chain bridge, and as you can see right here, but looks like most of those chains are EVM compatibles. So then I scroll down a little bit. Yes, looks like all of those chains are EVM compatible, but in a tweet they stated they're going to be bridging to Cardano. Then I scroll down and I found this on their roadmap. In a Q2, it says Solana plus Cardano. So that's mean they're going to be bridging to Solana and Cardano. Most likely there's going to be some kind of router in the middle or exchange or something. Most likely you're going to be able to transfer your Copi tokens from Binance Smart Chain to native Cardano chain. And if we press on launch app, this page will appear, and then right here you can see from to. If I'm not mistaken, what's going to happen, we're going to have to choose Binance here, and then we'll have to select token. But to do that, we're gonna have to connect MetaMask. Let's connect really quick. And then we'll have to select token. And this is different tokens that you can transfer between chain. So most likely, Copi token is gonna appear over here. Then to which chain we're trying to transfer. We'll drop down this menu. I'm guessing Cardano is gonna be here. And you'll have to choose Cardano, and most likely you will have to connect your Cardano wallet, your Name wallet, or whatever wallet you're using, or you'll have to add your Cardano address here where token is going to be migrated. Of course, there's going to be slight fees or something, but I think this is the way you're going to be able to transfer your Binance Copi tokens to native Cardano chain. And once this is gonna come out, I'm gonna create step-by-step video on how to do that, how to transfer your Copi tokens to Cardano network. And the last news came out, it's Indigo Partnership. So Cornucopias and Indigo Protocol, one of the Cardano leading native decentralized protocol, announced a mutually beneficial metaverse partnership. We can go to their Twitter page and we can see they have Discord, they have official website right here, and then founders and members. And then if we go to their website, on their website, they basically explaining what Indigo is. Indigo bridge the real world to blockchain, giving everybody equal access to financial opportunities. And then you can read up on their white paper, yellow paper, you can join them on the Discord, and right here basically explaining what Indigo Protocol is and then how it works. And then what are synthetic assets. And then right here, there are some functions that are available already with Indigo Protocol. You can set up and create collateralized debt positions, stability pool, liquidity pool, stake LP token, governance, staking, and pools. And then this is their tokenomics, and more information here can be found on this website. And this is pretty much it. This is what's been happening with Cornucopias. NFT sale, their listing on MinSwap, bridge with Chainport, and their partnership. And if you enjoyed this video, press that like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.